John, the wicked producer.
Oh yeah, oh, come by with me, oh, my love shape your sorrow, oh, I'm a tip-top, oh, my love la people, oh, yeah, Joby mommy, oh, yeah, Joby daddy, oh, yeah, Joby oh, my love Joby oh, come by with me, oh, my love shape your sorrow, oh, I'm a tip-top, oh, my love la people, oh, yeah, Joby mommy, oh, yeah, Joby daddy, oh, yeah, Joby.
It's that time of the year where we sit back, relax, and actually give honor to all the people who have been cracking us for a very long time. Guys, welcome to Naija FM Comedy Jam and Award Night, and it's happening right here at Muzan Center, Oniko, Lagos State, Nigeria. My name is Dami, and I'm on the red carpet. We'll be giving you all the glitz and glamour on the red carpet, asking people their expectation concerning this event, and of course, which other categories are they looking forward to see. I'm super excited because all our comedians are going to be here, and of course, the best goes with the award. So guys, welcome on board.
You get the kind of where you go follow your wife go call you say, Baba, you be mad. If your wife the vex, where is that girl? Where is that girl? She's sitting here. You go look your husband and say, now you be Baba, now man you be. You get some women, you go, if you follow them, your wife go, you not go quarrel with you. Some men, they be bastard. If you see some girls where they follow, they don't even speak English. It be like that girl where say, what good though. 100,000. That guy will make 100,000. We be like reptile. Yesterday to this morning, 100,000. I can't shout, idiot. Thunder kill. I come in, but I don't shop weight now. It be like old elephant now because everything is bogus. They fat because everybody like to get. Some form of relaxation, and now comedy now if you give.
You know, I don't like woman. I know, I'm an apostle, so the man. If you leave all the small girls with their big throat, one day they will kill a man. Cause, they are flyer than Emirates. They will bomb no matter the dollar rate. They be looking for people to implicate. They won't stop till the big man will penetrate, baby. Oh yeah, bros, these girls are too like to deform. Bros, they're looking for people like us. Cause body is a must, bros.
Comedians don't get, platforms that appreciate the work that we do. So Naija FM coming up with this, it's actually a good initiative and we applaud them. Thank you very much.
I was at an event, a lady approached me and said, MC, please, I'm looking for the venue of... I said, sis, can you come again? She said, I'm looking for the venue of this. I said, my sister is in Makurdi, you won't miss it. You won't miss it. Or you tell Omotola, no buts. I mean, you're disrespecting her. Or you tell, what's her other name? Mercy Johnson, no buts. But you can tell Simi. That's why I got angry when Fowl sang that song. See the weapon where you carry. Come and be general in my army. Simi weapon. Simi not even read bullet.
This Naija FM Comedy and Award Night. Amazing show. Fantastic. People are having fun. The planning is supersonic. It's nice being here. Like I said, I came here to relax and to chill. And I'm having so much fun, man. So much fun. Kudos to Naija FM. God bless you.
The nominees for Online Comedian of the Year, 9 BDs. Mimiko, Ima Oh My God, Wuli Agba Ayo, Josh Too Funny, Charles Okocha, Ebiye, Tinosa.
The winner for the Online Comedian of the Year is Ima Oh My God.
I just presented an award and I'm happy I just did that. It was for the Online Comedian of the Year and Ima Oh My God won. He is really hardworking and congratulations to him.
It's your brother Ima Oh My God and I just won the award for the Online Comedian of the Year at the Naija FM Comedy Jam and Award Night. Wow. I actually feel happy, I didn't expect it. I was very happy to be nominated, like I said, but the fact that I won, these things are things we do at home. It started with just doing it for fun. Then a lot of things have come out of it. And the fact that I actually won this award here today, it's encouraging to see that somebody out there is appreciating what I do and they think I'm worth winning the award.
The sitcom of the year and the nominees are...
The Johnson, My Flatmates, Jennifer's Diary, Hustle.
And the winner... The Johnsons.
Yeah.
She said, man.
On behalf of Naija FM Comedy Jam Awards, I present to you this award as the best sitcom in Nigeria. Congratulations.
Thank you for this check. Don't say money no day. Thank you everybody for voting for us, and we promise to continue to make you laugh.
I'm really grateful to God. You know, I'm happy that hard work definitely pays, consistency pays. So you know, I'm happy. I'm happy we can win something today. It's really something I'm proud of.
It's really great to see all the hard work, all the hours that we put in be appreciated, and that people are enthusiastic and they really look forward to watching the show every day on their TVs. So yeah, I feel really good. Everybody at this table is really excited, and we're just thankful to the fans and the supporters for all the love that they've shown us over the 6 seasons that we've been doing the Johnsons.
For most promising comedian of the year, 9 BDs. Wole Arole, Short Family, He Don't Do, Efe Worry Boy, Kevin Sa.
And the winner is Senator Dino Malaye. Sorry. And the winner is He Don't Do. I really like the unity we comedians are building over the years. And not be only musicians, go they show musicians support. It has also shifted to the comedy industry. When one person win award, 7 people go call receive them. It is what we call metamorphosis. Okay, Okoko Nation. All right, on behalf of Naija Comedy Jams Awards 2017, I present to you this award of the most promising comedian of the year. Congratulations, bro.
I just presented award for sitcom of the year and most promising comedian of the year.
And I want to thank God for this award, and I want to also thank God for Naija FM, and I dedicate this award to my late parents.
Naija FM, they always deliver, and we wish them more years and more success.
Whoa! Whoa! Are you ready? What's up? Hey! Hey! Walk it! Walk it! Walk it! Walk it! What's up? What's up?
This my name. You're watching Hype TV.
See, my name is X-Buster. I am so true. DJ, they know they hear my voice. Reduce the volume so they go hear me. Nobody feel compare me. When it comes to rap, I swear other rappers, they fear me. See, I they chop rap like saying a cola. I'm waiting these people, they drink the na Coca-Cola. Now X-Buster, they know I'm right. I'm waiting with the do na comedy award night.
I've thoroughly enjoyed myself so far. It's a young kid that came and rapped. I think his name is Buster something, I don't remember, but he was just phenomenal, amazing, his performance. I mean, it just speaks to the abundance of talents, you know, that there is in this space.
We're having fun at the Naija FM Comedy Awards night. A lot of people in the building, a lot of celebrities in the building, and of course we have our fans, lovely fans who are here to enjoy the excitement of the show.
Ladies and gentlemen, I tell people, I got to talk of church just now. If you are a Christian, I beg. If you don't know song, not sing. Just leave the song. A woman came out in church. She said, Pastor, before I share my testimony, I must sing. That's okay, you are sing. The next thing we heard was, we are the pillar that hold this church. Pastor say, how? Which pillar will not be? Make I know all of them one now.
The comedy in Nigeria is taking on another level entirely. Like, you know, the music comedy thing is coming now. So comedy is actually changing now, and everybody wants to learn how to sing. And you discover that all comedians in Nigeria are actually putting up their own shows now, like Acapella just did his own. Everybody's trying to show their clients the stuff they're made of. And I think that challenge is good. We're all picking up the challenge. Kenny Black did his own, Acapella did his own, and every other person is coming out with his own for now. So we're already on the next level. We're not going there. We're already on the next level as comedy is concerned.
Most fashionable comedian of the year. The nominees, 9 BDs. Senator, Basket Mouth, I Go Die, AY, Alibaba, Oke Bakasi, I Go Save.
So the winner is AY. On behalf of Naija FM Comedy Awards, I present you this award. I don't say be AY boy. Yeah? Thank you. And
Awards are indications and signs that you're doing well, especially when you receive it. So it's something that will boost you and help you to gravitate from one level to another, especially as a recipient. So I am hoping and believing that the very best will go home with the awards tonight.
The nominees for Best Comedy Show of the Year, 9 BDs. Bovey, Man on Fire. Funny Bold Untamed. The Oxymoron of Kenny Black.
The winner is Oxymoron of Kenny Black.
Pussycat no be tiger, monkey I don't see chimpanzee. Walk you, but I know be for monkey oh. You wanna have a big boy.
Wow, I never expected it. I'd like to say a big thank you to God Almighty. I don't even know what to do. I supposed to cry, but I did wash my weight, so I've been asked. My daughter said I should not cry this year, maybe next year, early. But I want to say a big thank you to Naija FM. To everybody who make Oxymoron make sense, to the comedians, to the organizers of the event, to everybody. And I want to dedicate this award to every comedian who don't give me platform for their stage. I want to say thank you. You guys made Oxymoron. I've not done Oxymoron without you now. Thank you very much. God bless you. Enjoy the rest of the show. Thank you very much. Thank you, Naija FM. Thank you, and thank you, Hip TV too, because they really support me very well. They show my adverts back to back. Thank you very much. God bless you. This is for everybody. God bless you.
The nominees for Comedy Actor of the Year, 9 BDs. Bishop Ime Chiwetalagu, Owen Abraham, Helen Paul, Funke Akindele, Ada Ahmed, Samuel Ajibola, aka Spiff.
And the winner is a very tough one. If I had to choose, it will be this person. Chiwetala Alago. Wow. Well deserved, sir. Well deserved. Well deserved.
Ekwensu romance ya mami weta. Ekwensu achọsi ebe ọ ga-anyụ arọ bụ n'ike mami weta n'ike. I thank you, wonderful people.
right now on the stage, that's my highlight of the night. I'm a very big fan of Chiwetalagu. You know, thank you so much, Hip TV.
How far now? How na day? Not too much. Not good evening. The bros, whether they see with the glasses, I they see you now. No worry. That okay. No time. I just make a can't greet everybody. Make a thank you now. In those days, you dare not open your mouth. Say you want be comedian. You go find wife. Say you want marry. They'll ask you what you they do. You say comedy. The man go look in Peking, say, you think this life is a joke? But now, things have changed. Comedians marry the most beautiful women. Those days, comedy not they pay. Now make Ali Baba marry 3 times. Assam, not be lie. Even when you look at today, comedy is one of the steady paying jobs. Very steady. I like the fact that every category is competitive. Yeah. Like they call the nominees and you don't even know who's going to win. So yeah, everybody's even been happy with every winner so far as well as the nominees. And it promises to be a good night.
But we say now only comedians, they talk anything, go free. Yes. Now only us, they talk anyhow, nothing go happen. And now only us, no they give belly. Comedians, we know they give belly. Not be say we know they do. We they do. But waiting with the drop inside. They crack joke inside. It's not serious. Because all these artists, the kind of song that they sing, you be like Ronaldo, I go chiku chuku chuku, borokoto, bo. So once that thing enter, you dey borokoto, bo, borokoto, bo. But imagine, once they do, the thing enter, you go, woo, no good, enter. We're one industry, like we're growing, we're expanding, and we're getting better. So shout out to Naija FM because this is huge and this is massive, and we can only get better. So, and it's fun being here.
The nominees for Comedian of the Year, 9 BDs. Bovi, Kenny Black, Bash, Akpororo, Sheilo.
And the Comedian of the Year is Kenny Black.
We're here live at Naija FM Comedy and Award Night. And trust me, guys, if you're not here, you're missing it. It's been fun so far. We are laughing. You can hear people laughing in the background, and you are at home. Why?
Let's give it up for the MD CEO, Naija FM, Mr. Chris Ubosi, and his beautiful wife, Mrs. Ijeoma Ubosi.
First, thank everyone. First, let me abuse these people, but I would have liked to do that. But let me say a very big thank you to everybody for being here. Thank you to our sponsors. Thank you to everybody that supports us. And we keep trying to. There's pressure to move this thing to a bigger place, but we keep resisting that so that we can stay as intimate as we are. And I love it here. Thank you very much.
Don't let anybody talk you down. Don't let anybody make you feel you're not good enough or you cannot do it. If you believe in it, go for it and get it.
Oh, pirates, yes, here am I. Sold I to the merchant ship. Minutes after they took I from the bottomless pit. But my hand was made strong. Can I hear my choir? By the hands of the Almighty, we forward in this generation, triumphantly.
It's also funny I see now. Once I wear that gown, I turn to my Felicia. That is it. I jump in and jump out when I want. Thank you very much.
My brother, the thing goes very soon. Nollywood go use that song. Yoruba Nollywood. If I can't anti-Tokpa Labi, they go use that song preach against domestic violence. You go just see Lady Pamon go just start. They won't do film. You go see starring Mokare, Bolare, Shemire in Man's Not Hot. Okay, I'll sign out to that one. Say, Man's Not Hot. Now the soundtrack, now ain't gonna annoy you. Yoruba soundtrack, Man's Not Hot. DJ play Yoruba Nollywood. Man's Not Hot. Talk about Labi. Now yeah, the right name. Let's go. Yeah, the right name for here. Starring Mokare, Muyiwa Ademola, Ojopa Gogo, Sokpa Labi.
Kò tí ì fẹ́ sílé, ojoojúmọ́ ó máa lọ ẹ́. Tó bá wálé lálẹ́ ọkàn rẹ̀ á ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. Tó bá tún jáde lálẹ́ ọkàn rẹ̀ á ṣe dẹ̀dẹ̀dẹ̀. Kó tó di bẹ́ẹ̀ dẹ̀dẹ̀dẹ̀, ọ̀rẹ́ mi máa dúró síbẹ̀. The thing goes krura, pa 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 pa, skibidi papa, and the do kudu kudu, skia, do kudu kudu. Kì í ṣọkọ rẹ̀, ọ̀rẹ́ mi máa sàn.
I'm so happy for one of my rural house comedian that won the most promising comedian. I'm so happy. He don't do. I'm so happy. I'm fulfilled. I say Naija, we too get mouth. Now only this country, now we feel babish. Pursue Mami Water. Mami Water go Kana. This country. Jesus. This way nobody don't do. We don't do it here. And happy. But Brisky made a hear me now. Thank God for life. A body don't come that small now. Since what we hear say that guy, for that waiting that country, say die. Say they're hoping in hand pit. I don't want to call where they're hoping. In the fear now. Now so that they die one. No. Carry me now and me talk am. Get the way they and the way they look me. You know they die. And now this is your death now. You not feel hide them because the way you take die, you must die like this. So don't say they're useless your bomb. You are going nowhere.
What's up, yo? It's your boy Seriki Omowo, aka Makbenomba to Batisoro, and it's backstage. I'm about to perform, and you know how it is. You know how we do. Show still a ruthless rhyme kicker. Watch out, Seriki says so. Ejomo a kicker.
Customer radani, Ojesheli Mama Tila Gani. Customer radani, Boshe no Vegas, low no curiosity. How much I go pay? Okay, hello, well, Tutti by Sweet Day, Bagbe, I'm a song well. Jamo! Yeah! As for Nessa, Toba Timbo Kora Shayo Dani, Toba Timbo Kora Kodi Dani, Toba Timbo Kori Shadani, Koyani Pekas, Kotuka Shawodani, Moloni customer Meji, Tioba Saye, Oya Fumiki, Oya Kopa promotion, you got to pay your cost promotion. See, Moko Fete Kajo relating, go sit time, I disgrace me, Ejo, Oje 9, 18, now all of them are getting me.
I want to say big shout out to Hip TV for always being by our side. Shaw family say so.
Yeah, what's up, people? I go by name small like Akio Jagala, my teacher. Hi, wow. Yeah, just call this show now. Yeah, we live here at Naija FM show, man. It's massive, man. Only con. Mission Center, maximum respect. As usual now, Hip TV showing love. Yeah, God bless everybody. Thank you for turning up. Thank you for supporting.
Just as the name implies, it's comedy all through. People have been making me laugh. There's no highlight for me for now. I'm just enjoying myself. It's just going like this, man.
Still, it's so funny how time goes by.
Hey. Come on, blow!
And my people see they show us love. Yeah.
Low!
I got the kings and the ghetto with me. Yeah.
Low! Blow!
Baby girl fly past Madonna, but she didn't dribble everybody like Maradona. The way you play, you feel to play for Barcelona. Cause you didn't dribble everybody like Maradona. Baby girl find your owner. Hey. Get those skeleton, no one do. This kind of why you too bad, you. Too bad, you. Skeleton, no one do. Get over boss and no one care. Put money for beer, them and go. The bubbles and no one know. Like you're this girl with it for me mind. In a strong man, I saw I don't go. When I see her, she wants to hug me. I give her baby girl fight past Madonna. Let me hear you sing. But she did dribble everybody like Maradona.
True time.
The way you play, you feel to play for me.
Yeah, I'll be going out in a bit to, perform. Just have fun. I just had to have fun.
You still sitting down?
Let's go there. Let's go there.
Il est
vidéo.
Movement.
One niveau big niche.
Damn.
Bolare uva. Yeba, bona.
Ondobi ufa.
Kaloloniru. Kalofasko. Yeba, Lọ́dọ̀ Síkírù. Ṣé ẹ ló gbé pọ̀? Ókè.
Ẹrùkú wọlé.
Jókòó.
Ẹrùkú wọlé.
Ẹrùkú wọlé.
Ẹrùkú wọlé.
Ẹrùkú wọlé.
Ẹrùkú wọlé. Ẹrùkú wọlé. Ẹrùkú wọlé.
Ó dà come through. Mo lè torí ẹwà lóòkù o.
Lóòkù o.
Mo tún lè. Mo lè torí ẹ lọ gòkó. Òkò náà. Ọmọ aráyé kí mi ní ìwé náà ń sá. Ẹ wà ó yá. Pọ́n mi lé. bèbí pọ́n mi lé. Màá lọ lọ́kọ̀ méjì torópẹ́ tó súnlé. Pọ́n mi lé, bóyá bèbí pọ́n mi lé. Màá lọ lọ́kọ̀ méjì torópẹ́ tó súnlé. Má lọ bá wọn dá nílé bọ̀ èrè. Wọ́n gba certification ni wọ́n bẹ̀ lámúlé bẹ̀ nílé kan sí. Má lọ bá wọn dá nílé bọ̀ èrè. Wọ́n gba certification ni wọ́n bẹ̀ lámúlé bẹ̀ nílé kan sí.
Pop. Enemies don't go buy kerosene.
Arabanko.
They put my matter for cellophane.
Arabanko.
Everybody they want to hit me like Egovin. They call a bookie, say bring some sugar cane. Let me hear you say, who? There's some things I cannot take, they for cellophane. Come on, say Celine chop, she weigh banana. I say a politicians no come they pay.
One time.
Let's get him. Who? What? Hey, now my matter don't be like shell walk. Set up, bounties. Them tell
Let's go.
Everybody, internet crash. I make more money.
Everybody say
who?
One.
Go.